Well, this is the Harmony Trailhead, the headlands between Cambria and Cayucas on the central coast of California. It's been a nice hike today. I did about 3 or 4 miles on my stationary bike, and then I came on this hike. Round trip, it's about, I guess, 4, maybe 5 miles. But what you get to see is the beautiful, undeveloped coast of California between San Francisco and Los Angeles. It's a pleasant, actually quite enjoyable hike. I do it quite often. I lived up here approximately 6 or 7 years before I found it. It's a gem. You should try it.